What's up, family? Speak Liberty back, and I got a development in our story. So, last I posted, I spoke on me having submitted a letter to a particular judge to question the ruling that she had made on burying the exculpatory evidence that my brother had submitted. My brother, who's been serving 24 years as an innocent man, and recently exculpatory evidence came to light that the judge herself or the DA could not refute based on lacking merit. And rather than acknowledging this exculpatory evidence on record, she chose to cherry pick the errors in my brother's habeas petition and only spoke of that in the hearing. And she's not allowed to do that by law. California courtroom proceedings rule 4.551 specifically says that you're not allowed to cherry pick um, things like filing error, clerical issues, especially when there's exculpatory evidence that has been submitted that cannot be refuted by the DA or by the judge in lacking merit. Thus, you have to acknowledge it, especially when it's pro se, which in this case it was. She's supposed to read the entire petition, not just choose to speak on what was the clerical filing error and what box was ticked and what was not specified enough about. She's not allowed to do that. I call her out in this letter and asked her to do the right thing, and she, instead of doing the right thing, doubled down on doing the wrong thing and tried to have me incarcerated, had issued a warrant out for my arrest, claiming that I threatened her. Did not do any such thing. In fact, in my letter, I went out of my way to state that this was not by any means a threat. I'm simply asking her to do the right thing, or I would go to higher authority, which was going to either the senator or to the public first by press, which I followed through on my next move, which was going to the press, and I had submitted thoroughly everything that we had submitted to the judge to several different publications and 4 news stations, which Channel 7 and Fox 2 in the Bay Area had picked up on. So they're doing the investigation presently on the merits of what I'd submitted, and we'll go from there as far as bringing this to the public. So hopefully before the end of the week, we will have that come out. Her intimidation tactics in trying to lock me up did not work. So let's go, y'all. Stay posted.